So, hello campers. This is the next step in the strengthening of the sides of the campers. So the camper ended up cutting everything apart, and now I'm refurbishing it with a 1-inch. Now I'm gonna end up resining with epoxy resin. This back, these have rabbit little biscuit joints, so that I could fit them and save some plywood. All the joints are done. You can tell I'm refurbishing it up to there, and this piece is all, so I fitted everything, and these are going to be my kickers. Once I glue it, once I resin it, I'm going to kick that off. So I did all the sides, so now all the sides are done. The next step is to resin it, and then the next step would be to do the floor and do the box for the box right here for the generator, and then right there there's going to be a truss that goes all the way down in there. What I ended up is I glued this down with resin and fiberglass matting, and so I fitted everything. I ended up so this is also biscuit jointed, and this is ready to go. I set up everything before I do it. I took this off, and there's a section of plywood that goes all the way back in there, back in here. So, and that should be the next step. So fitting it is kind of a little tedious. It took me about 4.5, 6 hours. So about 6 hours, and that's making a pattern and fitting everything. And so up there it's going to get screwed, and but it's the only way to make this thing strong again. The way they made these wasn't the right way of making them, so they're only good for so long, and then you have to refurbish them. So anyways, so I have to this area here, I have to cut back up to about right up here, and this has to all be removed. So I'll probably do that tomorrow, and then I have everything to by the way, if you do a job like this, you definitely have to get one of these Japanese saws. This will save you tons of time. So a lot of hand work, and a little bit of quite a bit of dust, but anyways. All right, well, talk to you later, campers. Bye.